How to make your friends can see your email on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your friends can see your email on Messenger Lite. First let's go to Messenger Lite and now click the settings icon in the top corner and then just go down. Here you will find the account settings, click on it and then select personal information and now click contact info and then click on your email and here just click who can see this email address and select friends and now it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.